Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be giving you a full review of the Omoric Cajun Creole Seasoning. Now you want to stay tuned at the very end of the video to find out how you can purchase this wonderful seasoning. Omoric is a company based in Lafayette, Louisiana, and it is owned by Miss Royce Starring, and this is her here. Isn't she beautiful? Now, Omoric seasoning is an all-purpose Cajun Creole seasoning. You could use it on just about anything: chicken, beef, pork, seafood, just about anything. And for this review, I'm going to be doing some air fried chicken wings, and I'm going to be using this seasoning right here. And once I'm done, I'm going to give my overall opinion and grading on it. Now, some of y'all are probably wondering, Omoric, what is that? Well, Omoric is the slang term for s'more, okay? Yeah. So let's get started with the review. Alright, here is the seasoning here, and this is the, let's give y'all a little, show y'all how it looks. It's pretty good, looks pretty good. Now here is the nutrition facts. Now there really is nothing in here listed. The only thing they have listed is the sodium, which is 135 milligrams, 6%. So that's pretty low in sodium. And down here, as you can see, this is the ingredients list: salt, granulated garlic, paprika, chili powder, spices, all the ingredients listed right here. And this is the company and where it's based and the phone number. And right here it says, from Barbara's Spice Rack. Everything I know about cooking I learned from my mother. She was my inspiration behind creating this seasoning. She was my critic, even though she would constantly tell me she didn't like my seasoning because there was not enough salt in it. When she ran out, she would always want some more. Bonafide Creole flavor. I like this. Looks pretty nice. Now let's get started with making the chicken wings. Okay, here's all what you will need to make your air fried chicken wings. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need 2 pounds, that's 6 chicken wings. You will also need some canola oil, some Omoric Cajun Creole seasoning. Now if you don't want to use this, you can use any other type of Cajun Creole seasoning if you like, but since we're doing a review on this seasoning, we have to use it, okay? And lastly, you will need an air fryer. Now this brand of air fryer is Omoric, and I'll have the links to the review for this air fryer and to where you can purchase this air fryer in the description box. So let's get started with the review and recipe. Okay, first step, we're going to add our chicken wings into a strainer, and we're going to rinse them off with cold water. We've transferred our chicken into a large bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of canola oil. Now using your hands, you're going to rub the canola oil onto the chicken. And to that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of the Omoric Cajun Creole seasoning. Using your hands, coat these seasonings onto the chicken. Just rub it all over the chicken. Place the chicken into your air fryer basket. Do this the best way you can. Place the drawer to the air fryer inside the air fryer. Now we're going to air fry the chicken wings on 350 degrees for 28 minutes. Now this all depends on what type of air fryer you have. Now to make sure that you air fry your chicken wings correctly, you want to make sure you use your instruction manual that comes with your air fryer. And as you can see here, we have the list of different things that you can cook on the air fryer. And for the chicken wings, it's about 4 to 28 minutes. So we set it at 28 minutes to air fry for the chicken wings. So remember, go according to your instructions for the air fryer that you are using, okay? So let's get started. Okay, time is up. Okay, let's see how the chicken wings turned out. And this is how the chicken wings look when they're done. As you can see, it's a nice golden brown color. Let this cool for about 5 minutes before serving. Now it's time for Charlie's taste test. Once I'm finished with the taste test, I'm going to do my overall propane and grading. Look at that. The chicken tastes pretty good. I mean, that seasoning is just the right amount, not salty at all. A little spicy, not too spicy, just right. Really good. The Samo seasoning, it gets an A in my book. I mean, it is delicious. Chicken is nice, flavorful, and that air fried, cooked the chicken to perfection. It's nice and juicy, delicious. If you want to purchase the Samo seasoning, I'm going to have the link to this where you can purchase the seasoning in the description box. The website is www.samoseasoning.com, and like I said, I'm going to have the link to where you can purchase the seasoning in the description box. And I also have the links to where you can purchase and the full review video for the Omoric Air Fryer in the description box as well. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the review. Until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.